Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make fruit clafoutis. It's a delicious custard pudding that is both satisfying and easy to put together. So let's get started. Grease your baking dish with butter and then sprinkle with some sugar. This will ensure your custard doesn't stick. I love using maple sugar as it adds a nice caramel flavor to your custard. For the custard, combine the egg yolks, vanilla, maple syrup, and mix well. You can use regular sugar if you prefer. Next, add the flour and cornstarch and mix until smooth. Now add 3 whole eggs and mix until fully combined. Add the salt, milk, and heavy cream and give it a stir. For more flavor, I like to grate some fresh lemon zest. To your prepared baking dish, add your favorite fresh fruit or berries. I sliced in some nectarines and threw in a few raspberries. Then pour the batter in. Bake at 350 for 45 minutes or until set. Before serving, you can dust it with powdered sugar if you prefer, and because clafoutis is best served warm, you don't have to wait too long to dig in. The creamy texture and flavor of the custard is perfectly balanced with the juicy nectarines. Try different variations like cherries, blueberries, or strawberries. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.